Well, that wasn't easy.
Okay, dinner's on.
And there's a peach cobbler warming in the oven, so the plate's gonna be hot, but that shouldn't be a problem for you.
All right, you kids, bye now.
Bye.
Oh, look, a low-budget puppet show.
It's such a shame you can't see what finger I'm holding up.
All right. Wine?
Please.
Well, spilled some.
I got it.
I must tell you, you look beautiful tonight.
What?